Hey y'all, I just got my Your Creative Studio box. I believe this is July of 23 that they sent to me. It came in, sorry, already opened it, one of these plasticky outer wraps, and then it's in a really, really sturdy package. So your goodies do not get jostled around. So let's see what we have. Oh, I haven't even opened this part. And please forgive me because Blue is on a comforter on my office floor. I just put it in here and he thinks it is a very cool little event that we have something different in here. So we've got the little logo here, a pretty little thank you card, and it is full of gorgeous artwork. Ooh, totally can use that. That's pretty. Okay, let's see what we have. I don't know what the theme is. And I always say to keep this because you can fussy cut out these bits. So let's open this Prezi. And what I tend to do for my unboxings is I flip it and go from top down. I don't know if that makes sense, but it does to me. Figure the big things are on the bottom and it gets smaller and smaller, right? And we're going to get a little glare, but I want to make sure we can see what we have. So this is the paper ephemera. There are 24 sheets. There's sticker paper, vellum, art paper, and pattern. And there's 6 of each, and you'll get like 6 of the sticker paper, 6 of the vellum paper, etc. And they're repeating designs across the 6. Very pretty as well. Let's see what we have. Let's see what we have. Okay, all right, so there's this beautiful tea set. And if you guys have been to the Grand Hotel in Mackinac Island, that totally looks like it. That would be funny if the design's from there. We've got some gorgeous butterflies, some lanterns. It's a little bit brighter. You're getting that gorgeous vintage vibe, but it's like updated vintage. If that makes sense, I hope it does. So beautiful butterfly here, some gingham going on, flourishy bits, and a nice pop of a bright green. That bright green is where I'm saying it looks like this, the china and stuff from the Grand Hotel. So we've got this beautiful floral here. This, I don't know if it's a butterfly. I don't know if it's a moth. I think they're gorgeous and I want to fussy cut them out. That's what I'm saying. Oh, we've got a really pretty orchid kind of tone now with some greenery and a bit of lace at the top. Pretty, pretty. Now we've got a lot more green on this one. The paper is really, really smooth. If you're a tactile crafter, it's a really smooth, nice feel, by the way. We've got our little buggy bits, some leaves, we've got florals, and the back wall looks like a stucco wall that was painted. I'm calling it a wall, the background of it. Now we've got a gorgeous floral. We've got some of those lights that we saw before and some stacked teacups, and it looks like a wallpaper design. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. And then we're going to get into the different types of papers. So remember I told you we had sticker paper, vellum, art paper, and pattern paper. So this feels thinner. So I think this is like the art paper. Ooh, I got 2 of this one. Don't say anything. I've got 2 of this one and it's my favorite design, I think. So go me. Go me on that. So we've got the thinner paper, right? Then, ooh, I think this is the sticker paper. It's got a different texture. It's a little bumpy. That's gorgeous. Yes, gosh, that feels good. And then we've got the vellum, which, guys, look at that. So you've got that translucent kind of vibe to it, but they are still able to do the really vibrant colors. So gorgeous, gorgeous papers. Ooh, what's this? So this, okay, it's super bumpy. They're stickers. Okay, it's just printed, guys. Look, there's like a postage stamp. It's like a little treasure trove. Like, what's on here? And we've got butterflies. So it's just where you can pop it out. Ooh, that's super pretty. That is gorgeous. And it's a really nice weight to it. It's not flimsy at all. You know how sometimes your stickers are super light? So, when I'm in that situation, I have to pop them onto a little bit of cardstock to make them more weighty. These are already like a really nice cardstock. Look at that. La-di-da. All right, so next what we have, this is cool. Well, I can't read a thing on there. So let's open up this little thing. We've got packaging, kind of cool looking packaging. Oh, so then there's package in the package. And guys, once you use this up, use this to do shaker pockets. Actually, you could use this whole package. You could use it as a big shaker pocket because all the work's already done for you. All right, guys, that would be so cool. You could have like a little window. Okay, well, there's a piece inside there. And then you've got all of these gorgeous bits in here. And guys, they feel really interesting. I don't think they're stickers, but they have like, guys, I can't get between here. It feels almost like sticker paper. So that's why I wondered if it was. This totally feels like sticker paper. Now, that's the funniest thing. I'm dying to know if it really is. Wait, it is. Oh, guys, it's like washi. It's washi paper. Oh, guys. All right, so this is washi paper. I knew it felt really interesting. So we've got all of these bits that look like stamps, but they are like washi finish to them. Look at how bright and gorgeous. Oh, guys, some of these are staying on my desk. These are staying on my desk because I love a white core background. Those are hanging out right here with me. So these are great. Like if you're an art journaler, you can pop them in the background. Oh, wow. Look at these. They're like washi finish, right? But they are tickets. Bravo to Your Creative Studio. Oh, I love, there's certain ones that I have to leave out because I need them as layers in my life. Absolutely gorgeous. They're beautiful. Love them. I'm keeping the brighter ones out, guys. I can't not. Does that make sense? Beautiful work. It looks like a like one of those old gardening journals, guys. You know what? I just love these. I love these. Okay, I'm going to stop carrying on. I love these. I'm going to keep this out on my desk, and then I'm going to use it as a shaker later because I think that's so clever. Okay, one moment. So let's see. Our stamps, we've got this one. Oh, there's two. Oh, how cute. There's a little critter in a teacup. And then we've got a cute little stack of teacups. I love that with the hearts. Those are so cute. Guys, I don't know. This might be my favorite kit. Might be my favorite kit. All right, so this is a stamp 2. So, oh, there's 2 in here as well. So there's all, and so you know that they're the red kind. They are all kinds of teacups, and we've got florals. And then this one is a single teacup with florals. Cute. We have a washi. Oh, it's a pretty pattern. It's pretty. It's a little bit shiny. See how you get a little bit of a shine on it? But it is like a neutral with florals. And it looks like you see a little bit of lace as well. Super gorgeous. And then finally, what's this? That's okay. The last thing we have, it says paper ephemera. There's little, y'all, there's envelopes. Look at these envelopes, guys. They're like little pieces of artwork. Oh my word. All right, so we've got this one with, I mean, the insides are even decorated. Super gorgeous. We've got the blue. Oh, it would be hard. Like if I did a layout with them, I'd have to have them like that because I'd want both pieces of artwork on there. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So we have this. Is that what it was? Because I got so excited. No, these come with it too. So are these part of it? I already showed you that. So the paper ephemera are these amazing envelopes. Guys, there's so many goodies this month. Check it out. I'll have links down below where you can get your hands on these goodies. And I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye, guys.